Hello, dear all learners. It's our lesson 2 of a free web designing tutorial. At our first lesson, we have shown you how to actually make the structure of a website page or with the HTML. We also showed you about the Visual Studio Code Editor, how you can use that editor to make a website page. Today we're going to discuss about what is HTML, what is doc type means, what is the heading, what is the paragraph of HTML, what is the links, what is the images, and how images you can set up, and what are the HTML elements, and how actually you can use those into your page by using Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, let's start. At our first lesson, we have shown how you can download Visual Studio Code Editor to start with. Let's follow that accordingly. So I already made the folder where I should start making my website in my laptop. So I'm going there now. It is here inside my laptop, and I create a folder named my website. So I came here, and now I just need to click the right button on the top of that folder, and then it gave me the submenu with a couple of the software. Among them, I just need to click on the open with the code, then just click on it, and the editor is coming. Just to let you know, those who are actually new today, all you need to do, you need to download Visual Studio Code from the Google Chrome browser. It's free, you can download. Once you download, and then it will work on your laptop, and it's completely free. So let's start. I opened Visual Studio with using my folder where I created that folder, and I clicked on the right button. That's why whatever now on this editor I will create, whatever the page and images and everything, whatever I will gonna do, it will all going to save there into that folder. So all you need to do now, just make a first page of your website, like home page. All you need to do here, just click on the left bar, and then click on the right button of your mouse. Then it will give you this submenu, and just click new file and make a name of your website homepage, like I'm doing that my website dot html. Why HTML? Because to make this site I had to use the HTML code, which is our discussed matter here. We're gonna talk about all about HTML. So here we go. Just after you write this, just press enter. Here you can see the page came on the right side. The cursor is blinking. So here where I will write all my code to make my website. So first, all you need to do, find out the exclamation sign in your keyboard, and then press enter. It gave you the structure of the HTML page, where you can see heading, meta information, body, and HTML closing tag, body closing tag, meta heading, head closing tag. And here you can see the title. Title means the page title. Whatever you have written here, it will be your page title. Say for example, I am writing home page. So it will be a page with the title saying home page. Now let's, as I have said, that today we're gonna discuss about what is HTML. So let's start first. What is HTML means? So what does HTML stand for? It's actually hypertext markup language. It's a standard markup language for creating a website. That means you mark up some hypertext language which you're gonna use it to create a website, and it is a structure. It's describe the structure of the website, and it consists of series of some of the elements, and then elements tells the browser that how your website will display. Once we will show you by doing the practical work, you will be more clear on it. So let's go to the page to start with. Into the Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, here we go. Anything you want to create, you have to write down inside the body tag. Here you go. Here is the starting of the body tag, and here is the closing of the body tag. So everything you will write of any elements that you want to create, anything you want to create, you have to write down inside this body. So I'm trying to make some space inside the body to make some elements on it. However, let's discuss first about the doc. What is doc type means? Doc type, it's a document types of this page, which is called HTML. Simple as that. And after that, let's discuss about the heading. You will see most of the statistics website has their heading on it. Like it's the heading that saying about that specific page, like home page or contact us page or products page, or a registration page, or so and so. So in our case, it's a home page. So I want to create the heading which is looks like this: H1. This is the starting tag. And the beauty of the Visual Studio Code Editor, as soon as you're writing the starting tag, it will automatically give you the closing tag. Like you can see, closing tag of the heading 1 is this one. It came automatically. I didn't need to even write it. So now just whatever the page name you want to give, just write down inside the heading. It's like home page. I have written home page, or maybe let's write home page of my website. Right, let's see the result, how it looks like actually on the website. To check that, I need to go to the folder that I have created into my laptop, which is here inside here. As you can see, just I opened it. Have you noticed that it's already created? This is the page that it's already created by the editor. So everything you will do on the editor, you will get effect on this page. Here we go. You see, I have written homepage of my website as a heading, so it's showing here in the page, in the website. So yeah, here is this is about the heading that I have discussed. Actually, in HTML there are other kind of heading that you can write according to your requirement. H1 is the most how to say that, H1 is the top one. I mean, the biggest one according to the font size. So if you want to make this heading bit smaller, all you need to do, go to the editor and just instead of H1 write 2, and then same will be here 2. You will see the effect will automatically be on the website page. One things I want to tell you that before you start working with the editor, first do one things which will reduce your work by following my way. You click on the file, you see on the autosave is tick. Before it was not ticked, so I already done it. Autosave tick. That means every time you will write something here, it will be automatically saved. You don't need to even save it after you do that. So it's saving your time, not to do saving every time by writing something after. Okay, so I have done a change of heading from H1 to H2. Let's see how it's get changed. All you need to do, just click here to refresh it. See, and the size of the heading gets smaller. If you want to do a bit less, I mean more smaller than that, just write 3. Then just have a look here, refresh it, you're getting more smaller. So the biggest heading is H1. If you are okay with that, you can do that. If you are not okay, you can follow the other heading. I hope you understand about heading now. Let's go to the paragraph. Paragraph, when someone want to write any kind of paragraph regarding any kind of description of your product, description of your thingy that you want to display on your site, you can write p tag, which is called paragraph, like that. See, the closing tag of p automatically came. So you write something here, whatever your as many paragraph as possible inside this p tag. It will be visible there in the website. Lorem by default, they have, I mean, the Visual Studio Code, those who made this, they create lorem inbuilt word, which you can write lorem and press enter, then it will give you a big paragraph. So it's just for the practice purpose, for the learner who doesn't want to write, I mean, who doesn't have enough writing already prepared to make a paragraph. They can use this just to see how it looks like. So as you can see, a paragraph with some writing with, I don't know the language, which language it is, but however it's a it's a paragraph. So after I done that, you will see the result on your page. You may click refresh on it, and then it's you can see the whatever it was here on the editor, it's all came into the page. So this is how you can write your paragraph into the page. So if you want to make more paragraph after this paragraph, then separately after that whole paragraph, you need to create another for the paragraph, paragraph tag, p tag. So write something like or this is a paragraph about my products. Make another paragraph. Whatever you have write, just something I'm writing just to give you example. So this is how it's like the paragraph sequence of the paragraph looks like here. It will be visible in your page exactly the same way, one after one, according to the sequence that you have created on your editor code. Just let's see how it's affect on your side. Press refresh. You see the first paragraph was this, the second one was this one, which is this one here visible, and the third one is here. Here you go. So this were all about the paragraph. Into our next topics, it's HTML links. Links actually represents how you gonna link a page from your specific website page to jump to open another page, or to open an image, or to open or download any streaming, any picture, any file from your website. So how you can do that? Let me give you more about the link. Here is, as you can see, I have noted down something before just to give you a clear idea. HTML links are defined with the tag A, and how it looks like with in your editor, it's written here. This is the one. So let me show you here. A, see, it's automatically giving you the closing tag as well. So after A, you need to write href. Href means hyperlink reference. That means the reference of your link page or of your link documents that you're gonna link, or you're gonna want to link with that, you need to put it inside that double quotation here. Say for example, you want to open another page, another website into your this link, from your this link. So what you need to do, you need to know the another website address, and that means IP address. You have to write it here, like www.mhawk.co.uk. This is actually my site. I'm writing it here. So go to mhawk online shop. Okay, in between this code tag of A, I have written go to mhog online shop. That means in your browser right now it will show up this text as a hyperlink, and once you click on it, it will open the website called mhog.co.uk. so let's just check into the page how it looks like. I'm here now, make a refresh on it. As you can see, go to mhog online shop. So if you click it, it will actively take you to this link straight away. I clicked on it, so for some reason it's not opening at this moment. Maybe the site is not active at this moment, or maybe due to the internet reason. However, let's just I think let's just check why it's not working. I think I have to write down http:// or http:// like that, http maybe / let me just have a look. Now it's still not giving me. However, this is how actually it is. I might done some little mistake somewhere inside this. Oops. I'm trying to find the address straight away from the browser. Why I'm copying this, as you can see on the this is how it should be written inside the double quotation of my code here. Okay, and this is how it should be. So it should work now. Okay, let's go to the page and refresh it and click on it now. See, the pages came. So you have established a link which linked to the page of my site. I hope you guys understand. Any question you can ask me into the comment. I will reply you definitely as quick as possible. Let's jump on to next into the next topics, which is images. How you can link up a image to make it visible or into your website. Here we go. The highlighted part, as you can read, HTML images are defined with image tag img. The source file is called src, means source. So the code will look like exactly this into your website. And as you can see here, width, that means how wide your picture should be visible into your page. You can define here how height, height will be would look like in your page, you can define here by this. And this is the code, and let's just try this code with the image here. One things I want to tell you, source means here, source means that first you need to know where you have kept your image, and then you have to write down that location inside this double quotation here to find the image by the code editor, by the code. So here they have given the example here, or w3 school.jpg, but in my case I had to write the image, as you can see on the left side, the image folder. Inside the my website folder, I created another folder called image, and in that folder I kept 2 images there. So you need to know that folder name, also you need to know the image file name with the extension which you will write inside this double quotation here. Let's write it. Okay, so image, and then after the folder name you need to write forward slash, and as soon as you have written forward slash, it's showing all the images that this image folder have, and it has 2 images here which already showing. The beauty of this Visual Studio Code Editor, it's making your life very comfortable. So you don't need to even memorize or write the name. As soon as you put the forward slash, it will give you the all the images name here. So I want to select this, which is MD Hawk logo with web address, and alter means if for any reason the image is not available, then how it will show on that image behind, how it will be visible, that's called alter. And whatever you will put inside this double quotation, this name will be visible once you put your cursor on the top of the image. You will see when I will show you. So here just let me write down mhawk logo, that's it. And then width, I want to make it a bit bigger. Width, let's make it 500, and height also let's make it 700. That means it's 700 means pixel. So let's just check how it looks like now into your page. Make refresh. You see here we go. The image came. It actually looks a little bit very big. It doesn't look good. Let's make it smaller. So 200, 205 pixel, and refresh it. It gets smaller, right? So yeah, as you can see, it's showing in the page like that. So wherever you want to put this image, you can just write down that code after that specific information, wherever you want to this page to be look like. And that's it about the image. And everything written inside the image tag, as you can see, source, alter, width, height, it's all called attribute of the image element. So like these, all tag has their own attribute. Like A means linking up, so hyperlink, hyperreference, it does have the attribute called hyperreference. It does have other hyperreference attribute as well, which we will show you later in our next couple of class. Okay, if you have any question about image, you can ask me. Let's jump into the next topics, which is elements. Elements, so far whatever I have shown you, like heading, paragraph, image, every code is called elements, and whatever in between that code tag, like starting tag and closing tag, whatever in between these two tag, it's all together, everything is called element. Like P also a element, H also a element of HTML, A also a element of HTML, image also a element of HTML. So whatever you are writing, whatever code you are using, these all are actually called element. Let me explain a bit clearly over here. You can see HTML element. So these are all HTML elements. So an HTML element is defined by the start tag, some content, and at the end tag. So start tag means this one, then content means what you have written in between. This tag is called content, and this is the end tag, which is saying here end tag. Okay, I hope you understood. The HTML is everything from the start to the end of the tag, as I said. So tag, starting content goes here, and closing tag. That's all it is. And you already seen that how heading will be looks like, and how you can write, how paragraph will be looks like. One thing you need to make a note down, which is some elements doesn't have closing tag, like BR. BR means breakdown. I mean, if you want to you write something, you are writing something on the page, and after that you want to break down the things into the next line, then you need to just put the BR. It will break down. Like let me show you here on the paragraph. Say for example, after sad, I put BR. So what it will do, inside this paragraph there will be two parts. So from here until here, sad, it will be one paragraph, and after that it will break down and go to the next line, and this remaining paragraph will show. Let's see into the page. As you can see, it's sad and up to here, and I put BR here into my code editor, which get effect and make that remaining paragraph into the next line. So BR means breaking down, that's all, and it doesn't have the closing tag. So that's what I wanted to tell you, that some tag is not too many, it's just some few tag. You will learn it gradually. And one more thing I want to tell you, that HTML is not case sensitive. Like if you write H, I have written a small letter, if you write H in capital, it will still work. You see H3. Now let's do it H1 to make it more visible, so it will still work. Let's just check it. You see, it's still work. So it's not case sensitive, like you need to write definitely on capital or definitely on small letter. No, it's not like that. Thank you very much. Alright, this is the end of our lesson 2. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask me always into the comment. I will definitely reply you as quick as I can. Thank you very much.